Well, hello YouTubers. I don't know how many of you have seen my previous video on the noisy draft induction motor. As you can hear, it is still running in there. It's now time to replace that. There's a, I don't know how well you can see it, there's a brand new one. This is the second generation. The third generation has the more elongated motor. The better motor, that's just a crappy shaded pole. The motor in here, that's a Fasco motor, so it's a little bit better. The motor in here, I'm waiting for it to cycle off, is a Jekyll. And they usually go bad within 1 to 2 years. There's our transplant victim there, the new one. I have bench tested it, and that's basically what I keep this power cord for. We'll do a quick bench test for you on this motor. Show you what it sounds like outside of the furnace. It's kind of cool. Okay, first of all, find a stable place to sit it. This really isn't stable enough because this is quite a powerful unit, as you'll see or hear. That's the inlet there. You make a good leaf blower, I'll tell you that. So now that we verified that that runs quite well, I might add, it's time to get on to the repair part of it.